is live. Because I can't see comments. Hi. Actually, I'm going to look right here. Hold on, folks. If you're there.
It is live, but I don't see.
That's all right. Well, there's a delay, so.
Oh.
Let's see. Nope, that's the wrong one.
There's somebody.
Somebody, and they get to watch me on my phone. Isn't that the most exciting part of your day? Watch Jessica play on her phone. I can see some comments. All right. Come on. I'm live. There I am looking at my phone.
Oh, she's building.
Okay.
I see you.
There I am.
Oh, I'm number 3. I'm
All right. Hi.
It's going.
I'm putting my phone away, so I can't see any of your comments, just because it's just easier that way. Because Barb's not here, but my friend Bonnie is. But I'm waiting for her to come over here. So Bonnie's here.
Oh,
Maybe you guys remember her from last year when I was here on, I hate to say Black Friday, your anniversary.
Yes.
I was here on the anniversary, Log Cabin anniversary last year, and I'm here again. Last year was different. Sue Pritt is here. Sue Pritt, do you want to come say hi too? We're on Facebook. Do you guys know my friend Sue Pritt? Have you met her?
Hello.
This is Sue Pritt, and she has a new pattern, and I'm going to show you guys. So we're going to do kind of an immersive overlap. So I'm going to show you why I'm here, and then Bonnie, you can tell them why what's going on, and then we'll show Sue's new pattern.
Oh, awesome!
Isn't it like first time ever? Like now?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a
So
preview.
I have no words because I lost all of them yesterday at Thanksgiving. So behind us is my table.
So cool.
So I know you guys keep asking, are the ornaments on the website? Are the Christmas earrings on the website? They're not there yet because I've been a little busy getting them ready for this weekend. I have today and I have tomorrow in Wyndham. So that's why they're not on the website, but don't worry. Don't worry. So you're picking out some you like? This is like one of my favorites. Look at it. It's a little mountain. And I made a sign. I made a So Many Creations sign.
Well, and look at the plaid behind this one.
Isn't that fun?
So these are 2 layers.
Two layers. So it's wood and acrylic.
Right.
Correct.
And then they're glued together.
So the back of the wood, when it's cut, has, I put tape on the back. It's a double, like, heavy sticky tape, and you peel it off and you put it on, and then you decorate.
And then look at all that matching beads.
I have a lot of beads.
I have to
Zoe
say,
tried to
I
eat
love
them.
this. Oh dear.
Zoe likes to chase them when they fall on the floor. So before I forget, I wanted to tell you guys one quick thing, and then we're going to do a little walk around. If you did not get the newsletter, I did send a newsletter out yesterday. I know it was Thanksgiving, so I understand maybe some people didn't read it. But if you were on my newsletter list, you got it a day early. We are having a sale through Sunday. It is using code THANKFUL20. So at checkout, as many times as you want. And I included this in the newsletter, but I just want to say it really quick. Again, you can use the code as many times as you want now through Sunday, through the end of the day. If you place more than one order, if you add a little note just so we try to organize it better, and if you can be the most patient, kind, wonderful version of yourself, we may run out of a few things. We'll get them in, we'll get it to you. It may take us a few days to ship orders. I know last year we got really, really busy this weekend. We're doing the best we can. We are so thankful for you and we appreciate you. We just ask for a little kindness back to us. We are small businesses. You're a small business. We're all doing the best we can, and we're working our tails off. So
really, I don't think people,
I think they forget sometimes. It's a lot.
And we're still having trouble getting products.
Yes, I think more now than 2 years ago.
Yes, I think it's terrible.
So.
And some of our distributors, everything is on back order.
Yeah.
And in other words, we have absolutely no idea when it's going to come in or when we'll get it.
We're waiting for cork because they don't have the base product still. They're hoping the end of the month. And I said cork and I almost forgot. Okay, one more thing before I show you the ornaments.
Oh, there's beautiful cork. Are we showing new?
Yes.
Because it is, I love every single one of these.
So, cork stash. So it's on the website, on the cork page. We went polka dot crazy. We have polka dots on black, on olive, on charcoal, on mustard, medium blue green, caramel, and cocoa, but cocoa left. I don't know where cocoa went. And
as always,
it's been almost a year, but guess what's back? And guess what I ordered a lot of? The metallic rainbow butterflies. I have been literally begging them to get this print back. almost a year. Barb said, I forgot all about that one. It's been so long. So that's on there too. These are staying with you.
Oh, how exciting!
I won't make you hold them. I'll put them down for now. So they
They
are
are just
on
awesome.
pre-order. And as far as I know, they're going to try and ship our order next week for these and some other things. So if you want them, order them now. Just remember, if you order anything pre-order or back order or a template, it holds up your order. But if you can be patient, that's fine. If you want to split your order because you want other things now, that's fine. So
That is.
I'm gonna zoom you in here
Oh
and
yes, 'cause
see.
there's so many beautiful things here
Yes.
to see.
I mean, you can't go wrong with polka dots. And here, I'm gonna actually just take this off.
I just think these are so cool, and I don't think I've seen ornaments like this anywhere else.
Well, thank you. Whoop. Sorry, guys.
There's a snowman. There's deer.
I have been very, very, very busy.
Yes, you have.
There's lots of
Look
ornaments.
at the night sky.
Isn't that fun? I love that one. And I was not intending on using that for ornaments, but it
It's
it
perfect.
works.
So
I have
perfect.
earrings. There's more earrings. You've seen some of these ornaments. I made that sign because Barb got a really cool sign and I was like, I want one too. And she said, make one. So I did.
That is awesome.
More ornaments. I counted them this morning. There was 255 ornaments.
Wow.
Yes.
You've been
so
busy.
I have been busy. So that's what I have going
Can
on.
you zoom in on some of the beautiful necklaces?
Oh, yes.
I love the tree and
Trees.
the snowy sky.
And the little tiny lights right there. Aren't they
Oh,
so
yeah, look
cute?
at that. I'm probably blocking it
Oh,
better
it's
than
fine.
showing
Look at
it, but
that.
can you see?
Mm-hmm. Cardinals. I have to work on the necklace display. This just shows you guys that do these kinds of things. The first time isn't always perfect. It's good, but I see room for improvement. So just keep on doing what you're doing. Julie, I can get you a sign. Eric keeps telling me I should make signs. I was like, what should they say? He goes, I don't know, but they're cool.
They are cool.
So do you want to show me some of the stuff you guys have?
Oh my gosh, this year we're doing things quite differently than we have other years. We have quite a few homemade products by some of our customers and of course Londa. If you want to pan right
Yeah.
over here, Londa has some pillows and some 10-minute table runners, hot pads. Everything is, I think, incredibly reasonably priced.
Yes. Bags. These are all Margie's
Yeah,
bags.
Margie and Linda have their bags here, and they have been selling like crazy.
You recognize some of these patterns, guys? Are they, like, look at this Lola.
Isn't that pretty?
I mean, it's stunning. And she adds the zippered pocket on the outside.
This one?
Yeah.
Isn't that
Isn't that
beautiful?
beautiful? The rose gold with anything navy just
Yeah.
makes me happy. That one is Linda's, and
was
I
gonna
can
say.
tell by that.
Yeah, I love that little added thing on
Isn't
her.
that, I mean, look at it.
She does that on a lot of her.
She does it on all of her handles.
Yes.
Mhm.
Sort of her signature thing, I think.
Yes. But like different color combinations. Margie did the iris here with the springtime, and then she used a green zipper. Like just something different. So lots of hard work here. Lots and lots and
hard
lots.
And then, of course, we have our usual 20% off just about everything.
20% off, you guys. If you are local,
There are some
you should be here.
exceptions. And then we got this great idea from someone that we know.
To have scrap boxes.
So these are chock full of
They're
fabric.
heavy. They are very heavy.
Cotton for
and wool.
$15, and these are full of wool.
Yes.
And wool is $25.
And they're going fast. So if you are
They
local, I would
are.
get here and get one because they're just fun. They're
They
just super
are.
fun.
I got one at Jess's open house.
That's
and
right.
I had so much fun opening it and seeing all these treasures. And, you know, for me, because Jess has a lot of modern fabrics, it was like adding a little bit of something I didn't have, which
Yeah.
I thought was really cool. That I plan to use in kits and crazy quilts and lots of fun things.
Very cool.
So-
I wish you guys were all local, and I know that sometimes it might seem like I'm teasing you, showing you all this cool stuff if you're not, but this is where I spend a lot of my time, so I wanted to share with you guys. And you met Sue Pritt, and right up there over Lisa and Pat is Sue's new pattern. Sue, what's your pattern's name?
Barefoot Beach.
Barefoot Beach. Can we get a kit?
Absolutely.
Is it pre-fused?
It is. It has the border fabrics included too.
Oh my God.
Not only
Oh, that's a new one,
How
right?
easy is that?
Yeah, very cute. I love the flip-flops. So,
Barefoot Beach.
there's Sue. Hi, Sue. And Pat. Pat's running away. She doesn't want to be included. But there's Christmas fabric and
it's
more
going-
Christmas.
But it's getting down there.
It really is. It really is.
We have a nice selection of Hanukkah fabrics.
Oh, you do.
Oh,
You have
yes.
a lot.
Yes, the whole end here. A lot of people seem to never be able to find it. We do have this really fun panel.
And Bonnie, I know you guys will ship. If anybody wants something,
yes.
what's the best way to get it from you guys?
To email us at logcabinfabrics.com.
So it's
Or
lcf1145@gmail.com.
Correct.
Or you can call if you want to.
Yes.
Yes. So,
Especially if you're looking for any of the bags. We do need to pan into the kitchen.
oh, all the food?
Oh my goodness, stop by for a cupcake.
There's Lisa. Uh-oh. There's some snacks too, because there's always snacks. Look at all the snacks. Listen, we like snacks. There's nothing wrong with that.
Well, and we have tickets here, and that is for if you bring a donation for Grassroots Givers, you get a ticket, and the ticket goes to a raffle to this beautiful bag donated by Margie and an ornament.
See that? So we are giving too.
Yes,
we are
we
giving, we
are.
are selling, we are probably buying before we leave here.
I was gonna
There's
say-
a lot going on.
This is just so pretty. Oops.
Oops.
I love this rose gold.
Yeah.
And there's the inside.
Perfect.
Oh gosh, I hope I didn't break it.
Oh, you didn't.
I didn't. Very
They're
durable.
durable.
Very durable. And the cupcakes came from Four Corners Luncheonette. Every year Linda bakes for us. And of course, Lucy made us yummy cookies.
Our friend makes us cookies and brings them, and this is Lisa and David. Lisa, it just walked past. Her and her husband's restaurant.
Yep.
And that's from there. We just do a lot of fun things together.
It's an
So.
intense chocolate fix.
It looks like, look at the size of those cupcakes. Like, those are big.
And we encourage you to take them home, not to
Yes.
eat them here.
Chocolate and fabric don't always mix
No,
well.
not really.
I think that might be it, you guys.
Oh, no.
Oh, no, is there more?
We have quilts for sale.
Oh.
Lots of quilts. We have some quilts that are unfinished tops because we make so many quilts that are samples
True.
that, we are oversaturated at our homes. And then we have a whole selection of quilts here that are completely finished, that are ready to go, great for gift giving. If you're in a situation, and they're going to all fall on you.
They're about to go
They
sliding.
are going down.
No, Linda, that is not one of my bags, but it is something that is in the works, possibly for next year. So, no, it is not a bag right now, but stay tuned.
What is she asking?
About the angled zipper bag.
Oh.
Yes. Margie and I might be working on a little collaboration together. You guys just got a sneak peek, but don't tell anyone, all right?
And I just want to add about the quilts. These are, most people do not realize how expensive quilts are to make. We are not making much money on that, on what we're selling. And the reason is that, we have so many, and we would like them to go to homes where they will be well loved. And so they are reasonably priced. And we hope you'll stop by and take a look at some of the quilts.
And if you aren't local, you can, if there's something you saw here, and we'll walk back through.
Sure.
You can always call or email the shop. And if you are desperately waiting for ornaments and earrings, they will be coming to the website as soon as I can get them there. It's been a little crazy. So if there's anything here that you need to have, just let me know. And other than that, I hope you guys had an awesome Thanksgiving. I hope that you have a great weekend. If you want, go take a look on the website, do some shopping. Code THANKFUL20 for 20% off all of your orders. You can place as many orders as you want. And I think that's it. Is that it, Bonnie?
I think it's it.
All right. I'm
Stop
gonna
by
go.
and see us.
I'm gonna go have some snacks and rearrange the ornaments. Bye, guys.